The tiny Montenegrin city of Kotor is a Balkan jewel, tucked away in the far corner of a beautiful bay, backed by epic mountains and surrounded by stone walls constructed by the Venetians. Each cobbled lane, seemingly untouched by time, leads to a tiny church, an empty square, or a centuries-old grand palace. The fortified coastal town of Kotor is guaranteed to leave quite an impression, whether you're making a quick pit stop during a Balkan road trip, visiting for the day as a part of a cruise, or are lucky enough to have a few days to properly explore. Its medieval old town is picture perfect from any perspective, thanks to the cluster of orange terracotta rooftops nestled at the bottom of a lush green hill, surrounded by the spectacular cliff sides and the shining, smooth as glass bay of Kotor. Kotor dates back to the Middle Ages, and its well-preserved center has won it a place on UNESCO's list of World Natural and Historical Heritage Sites. Visitors enjoy going through the labyrinth of cobblestone streets and secret passageways that wind past stone churches, shops and boutiques, gazing out at the nearby islands from a viewpoint, tackling the steep trail to the castle, or just enjoy staying at an outdoor cafe. Sure, it can get crowded when the cruise ships arrive and summer traffic on the outskirts is busy, but it's also surprisingly easy to find peace and quiet by simply walking a block or two of the main streets and unexpectedly find yourself in a place where time seems to have stopped. Begin your walking tour of Kotor by going through the historic gates and into Starigrad, or the Old Town, the epicenter of activity. Also, don't forget it's easy to spend an entire day soaking up the atmosphere found within the walls. Despite its popularity as a tourist destination, Kotor has preserved its authentic charm. Locals continue to meet in Kotor for coffee with mates, and laundry strewn between stone buildings serves as a sign that the ancient town is still a living community. One of Kotor's weirdest attractions is not a building, historic site or landscape. It's all about cats. Kotor is filled with cats. This is the result of centuries of maritime trade. Cats that sneaked aboard ships were abandoned in Kotor. These adorable felines can be seen all over Old Town, bringing some more beauty to an already picture-perfect environment. The Cats Museum is a must-see if you want to hear more about the past of Kotor's cats. This small museum houses a quirky collection of all things cat-related, including coins, art, literature, and other historical objects. The gift shop also sells small packets of cat food, so you can buy one and spend some time feeding and getting to know the Kotor cat population. The imposing castle of San Giovanni, also known as San John Fortress, rises 280 meters above Starigrad and offers breathtaking views of the bay below. The 1355 steps to the fortress top take you past a 15th century church, military ruins, and eventually to the fortress top, where a castle once stood. Aside from bragging rights for completing the difficult climb, visitors come for the spectacular scenery of the Bay of Kotor, and every step is worth that picture. It was originally constructed during Illyrian times and has been restored many times over the years, withstanding many earthquakes and scaring off several would-be intruders. Visitors will now walk among its grass-covered ruins and wonder at the scenery below, making the fortress one of the best things to see in Kotor. The cost of entrance for climbing up to the castle of San Giovanni is 3 euros. Carry lots of water and wear appropriate hiking shoes to enjoy your hike. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.